Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the account tied to the device and enabling location and remote find features. This authorizes searches and playback of signals. Once done, make sure the device has network access and location services are on so the service can report coordinates. Write down the device name and associated email or ID. This avoids confusion when multiple devices appear. Now open the web or native Find My Device app and sign in to the same account to begin locating it immediately. Once the device appears on the map, zoom in and refresh to confirm the latest coordinates. Location accuracy may vary by Wi-Fi or GPS. If nearby, use Play Sound to ring the device. If not, choose Lock or Mark as lost to set a passcode and show your contact message. Make sure to sign out of sensitive accounts remotely and enable any device encryption or remote wipe safeguards if you suspect theft. These steps prevent access while you decide next actions. If the map shows a safe, nearby location, retrieve the device personally or with local authorities. Do not confront people. If recovery seems impossible, perform a remote erase to protect data, but be aware that wiping will usually stop future tracking. If the device never shows up, make sure the account used is correct, location and network are active on the device, and permissions haven't been revoked. Also check battery status and recent activity. If problems persist, reboot the device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.